Hey everyone, how you guys doing today? I am doing great. So today I am going to be doing Amazon haul, and I'm so excited about this Amazon haul because I've been waiting for a while. And also I have two other pieces that I want to show you guys from DOONEY&BOURKE. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I don't know why every time I get on here I can't talk. When I got camera frightened, what it called? When people have stage fright. Do I have camera fright? But anyway, let's get into it. We finna get into this first box, you guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes from Amazon. And that box right there I'm real excited about. That's my DOONEY&BOURKE box. So yeah, let's go. And my camera girl, I hope she be steady with the camera today, cause she just moving. When she move, my phone move.
Just stepped on a piece of glass.
Let's see what's in the box. What we got going, honey? Honey, what is this, honey? Oh, okay. This is brightening cleaning gel for my face. Okay. That's what's up. Uh-oh. Okay. I can't wait for this one, you guys, because my other makeup storage cases, they got cracks all in them. Okay, so this is my new makeup case. And I am a junkie when it comes to makeup. Actually, this is not my makeup case. It is my makeup case. This is my tea. I'm sorry, you guys. This is my tea container. Cause I'm so into different teas, like the herbal teas, the all kind of teas, green teas. So this is my tea container. Y'all see it? I got like a bunch of tea. So I got that. Oh, okay. The Paul Mitchell's Instant Moisturizer Conditioner. Paul Mitchell. Why I can't say, what the hell is going on? Paul Mitchell Instant Moisturizer Shampoo. I heard that this is good for your hair. Yeah. Then I have a box inside of a box. What is this? It says fragile. What is this, Moan? What is this? It's fragile. I don't want to cut it. Okay, here go my makeup stuff, y'all. Yes. It's confusing because I can't even get this out the box. I can't get it out. I'm gonna cut it out. Y'all, I gotta cut this out. Like I was saying earlier when I understood my tea thing for my makeup. Like, it's time for me to get some new makeup storages. Because my old ones, they got cracks in them. And I don't know how the heck they got cracks in them, probably from moving. But yeah, it was time for some new storages. Darn. Well, dang. Okay, okay. Y'all see that? What they put in there? What that is at the bottom? I am so excited about this, you guys. I put my little lipsticks on. Now I'm gonna put my little lipsticks up there. Or probably just my highlighters, because I got some highlighter sticks. And yeah. That out the way. I actually thought I ordered the you know, it was like glass and silver, the glass and gold tea container thing, the storage, the store my tea. I think I ordered the plastic one. Okay. Okay, here go another fragile piece, you guys. A box in a box. And I am so excited. Because I love my makeup. I just love makeup, you guys. I've been wearing makeup for a good 3 years. But I'm just now finally, you know. I say about a year I've been doing it pretty good. I've been practicing and practicing. I'm coming out to be pretty good. Yeah. Okay, now you guys, this is the big kahuna. And I'm very excited about this one. Because this one is so pretty. It's really, really pretty. It's really pretty to me. I can do a lot with it. Pretty. Oh, you guys. Look what I have. What can I put in here? What can I put in here, Mom?
I don't know.
Oh, it's so pretty. Like my setting sprays. Face moisturizer. It's something, but I thought it was just so pretty. I like it. I'll figure something out. That's what I wanted. I get what I want. Let's see. Okay, let's see what this is. I already know what this is. This is my dun 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 dun. I ain't gonna put it all the way up. This is my ring light. 10-inch selfie ring light kit. Yay! God. Guys, I don't know why I'm talking like this. Yeah. Okay, we get that out of the way. Girl, don't be acting like that, girl. Because you was not holding my phone and stuff like with love. You was not taping this with love. And I don't like when people don't do love when they dealing with me. You ain't putting no type of love in this. Act like you want to be here. You love me. What is this one? Oh, there they go. Let's see what this is. Okay. This is a scale. Less fit body fat scale. Do you guys see that? I told you guys in my previous video or previous videos, I'm gonna start eating healthy and exercising. So of course I needed this scale. I don't have to open it, but y'all know this is the scale. Let's see what's in here. This is the last box. Now y'all know a girl is happy about this last box. It feel like I had so much stuff. And this all I had. This is all I had. But it just feel like I had so much stuff. And I thought I brought the gold glass container for the teas. Like, why would I get the plastic? I don't know. But anyway. Y'all ready for it? I am so excited about these purses, guys. Let me tell you guys, I am the type of person, I love makeup, I love purses, I love shoes. What else I like, Mom? Hair. Nobody ain't. Uh-oh. Here it goes. Y'all see my purse? I like my purse.
Why it's so big?
It's big because it's going to be big money in there, Simone. That's why it's so big, Simone. It's big money. These purses called right here. They call big money, Simone. Big money. You see that? Big money. Like when I hop up out the truck, you know what I'm saying? When I'm sitting in the truck, you hear me? The purse gonna be right there. You feel what I'm saying? The gap gonna be on the other side. You know what I'm saying?
What?
The gap. But yeah, talking in my New York voice. Y'all see the purse? You see it? You see it? I love this purse, you guys. It's so cute. So I have one more purse. You don't like my purse, Mom?
I don't like it. It's just too big.
It look like a suitcase.
Yes.
That's when you moving up in life. That means it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big.
Yeah.
Big.
Alright.
Big.
Okay.
Big money.
Alright.
Credit cards. Well, not credit card. Bank cards. Black cards. It's gonna be big. You hear me? That pocketbook right there. That's my pocketbook, but it's gonna be big. Okay. Here go another one, you guys. And this a crossover. You like it, Mom? Mom, you seen not like none of my stuff. Well, I like it. I like the crossover. Mom don't like my stuff, y'all. Mom old fashioned.
Huh? Ooh.
Yeah, this a crossover, y'all.
Somebody is blowing up your phone.
Is my stuff still going through my camera? How you know?
Because it just keep on coming down.
It keep doing what?
Notifications.
What they calling me?
Huh? Gonna text me and send you the post.
I don't know about that one. But y'all, I like this pocketbook, honey. I'm finna fill this up too, honey. Fill it up with nothing but you know what I'm saying, important stuff. You know what I'm saying? The money, the shamoney and stuff like that. And I just feel like it's real cute. You know what I'm saying? Especially, and you know, this is my color. I love red. Red really, really just, you know, bring out my complexion. You don't think so? You don't like the red? What?
Never mind.
It's not orange.
It don't look red.
It's not orange. It's red. When I ordered it, it was red.
It don't look red on the camera.
Oh, it don't look red? It's red, y'all. Can y'all see?
It look like red
Orange, but it's red. Look at the inside, y'all. Look at the inside, honey. Y'all see it, honey? I know y'all see it. You see it? I'm going to Starbucks. My little crossover. Got my cross. Now, they wrong for these. They gonna make sure that stay fresh. They wrong for that one now. I'm gonna keep it in there too. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be going to Starbucks in this in the summertime. I'm gonna wear this in the summertime. Talking about going to Starbucks. And yeah. I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna fill this one up too. But I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I ain't know this one was this big. This look like a suitcase. I swear it do. What this? Okay, a laundry bag. This a laundry bag.
No.
What is it?
Put the purse in.
Oh, to put my purse in. Oh.
You know, with designer.
You ain't even not looking at me.
I am. You know, a designer product.
I thought it was a laundry bag.
I know how you know you ghetto.
I'm ghetto. Girl, not for too long. Y'all, honey, look at the inside of that, baby. It just make you feel so rich. Look at that.
Interior.
It's just, look at that. The smell of the inside and the smell of the leather. Smells so rich. I just love my pocketbooks. But yeah, I'm filling these purses. And I'm going to put my purse in my laundry bag. So, I want to tell you guys, thank you for watching. Feel free to comment and subscribe and hit that bell. And for the ones that are subscribed to my channel, I want to let you guys know I really do appreciate you guys. And I really do, because you don't have to take time out your day to look at my videos. And I'm just beginner. Like I did start, when I started, like last year. I started putting it up early last year, but I wasn't consistent. So this year I told myself I'm gonna try to be consistent in everything I do and stop procrastinating and get them banging videos out there. I want to do like more some of everything. I want to do like challenges with my kids, cooking, cook with me's, try on hauls. But I ain't finna be doing no try on hauls until I lose this weight, honey. Only thing I'm rocking right now for the rest of the winter is tights. I got a membership at the gym. I need to go ahead and go, because it's been taken, the payment get taken out from my card every month. So I need to get serious about that. Go to the gym. Like, it's already established. While I'm not going, it doesn't make any sense. So I'm gonna try to get on that too and start doing more healthier videos. But before I do more healthier videos, I want to do a lasagna and probably a few more mukbangs. But I probably can, because I like really my little mukbangs or whatever I really like doing mukbangs on is like seafood and stuff like that. So seafood don't really put weight on you like that. So we'll see. And I might do a little ASMRs here and there. Like, my channel is like an overall of some of everything. Like, I just don't want to just stick to just food or just stick to this and, you know, it just become boring. I just want to give different stuff on my channel because I'm that type of person, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel. And for the newcomers, I hope you come on board. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, hit the bell, so every time a upload come, it'll notify you. And yeah, thank you. Bye.